Hello everyone, I am Vikrant Atole, partner of OOB Consulting, and we have launched this software VRiddhi for machining cost estimation. The basic installation file you will receive will be in zip format. So this zip format you have to extract it to your required path from where you would be using the main software. So if you are going to use it on a server or common sharing spaces, ensure your proper IT guy does this because this software can be shared as remote sharing of desktop from an Windows server. So for demonstration purpose, I am just extracting this on the desktop. It has started to extract. The reason why we are doing this is the folder which has been finally extracted. It can be synchronized with your OneDrive or even Google Drive, or even if you are using as any backup server, it can be continuously kept on synchronizing with the backend process so that every time you have the uh, amended backup being done. So that's the reason why we have kept this in zip format. The database is main because everybody is going to share the common database. So ensure we follow the same methodology. So the file is been extracted. We have it over here. The very first thing what I'm going to do is create the shortcut. Show more options. New shortcut. Show more options. Sorry, why this is happening. Create shortcut. The shortcut has been created at the bottom. I will just cut it and paste it on my desktop. So now we are good to go with all the options. Now, very first thing what we will be doing is registering this software. So very first of all, you have to start putting all the details over here and ensure the email is correct because we'll be sending is an OTP to you. So that OTP has to match with the system generated OTP. So if it doesn't match, you won't be able to use this software. So I will just key in all the details. I have keyed in all my details and I will ask to send OTP. The window that opens, it's our EULA agreement, that is end user license agreement. You have to go to each and every points and click yes, I/we hereby agree and accept the EULA. It is reconfirming the email address is correct. So I'm saying yes, it is correct. As far as possible, key in the right details because this is the same details we'll be using for your GST or billing format. So an email has been sent as you see over here, an OTP and register trial is been received over here. So go to your email which you have submitted over here and key in the OTP number. So I have put in my OTP. I say register trial. It is collecting all the system related this thing. It has been registered. So once it has been registered, just exit out of it, rerun it again. You are good to go now. So if you have any problems in registering this software, you can get in touch with me. But this is the right and authenticated process of how you should follow. So that's all for now in this video. We'll catch up with you later.